Hey, what is up, everyone? Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a booking form on Wix. So, first, you may want to head over to Wix.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in a new tab, just head over to jotform.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your Jotform account. And from here, we're just going to start creating a form. So we're just going to start by clicking on form, and you can actually use pre-made templates to make everything easier and faster, or you can also start from scratch. But for me, I'm just going to use a pre-made template. And in the left panel, you can see here types of forms, and you can also see here booking forms. So just choose from the category what type of booking forms are you trying to create. So say for example, we want to create an event booking forms. So we're just going to click on it. And now pre-made templates regarding event booking forms will be shown. And we can start choosing from the templates and just click on use template. Just fill out all the necessary information about your form. You can edit the title, the fields, and once everything is good with your forms, you can start by publishing it. Next, in the left panel, click on embed, and from here, we're just going to copy this code. Then, once everything is done with Jotform, we can now go back to Wix.com and start editing our site. And now from your Wix editor page, in the left panel, click on Add Elements. Then next, click on Embed Code. Then click on Embed HTML. This will then be added to your site. And from here, you're just going to need to add the code that you copied earlier. Just right click and paste, then click on update. And as you can see, the form that we created from JotForm has now been added to our site. You can resize it for it to fit on your Wix website. And once everything is done, you can just proceed by publishing your website. Just click on the publish button, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!